The first step in setting up your Dell docking station is making the physical connection. Connect the dock's USB-C or Thunderbolt cable directly to your laptop's compatible port. Before proceeding, ensure your laptop is compatible. Your laptop must support USB-C with DisplayPort Alt mode or Thunderbolt connectivity for the docking station to function properly. Next, install the necessary drivers for optimal performance. The easiest method is using Dell Command Update, which automatically checks for and installs the latest drivers, BIOS updates, and firmware. Alternatively, you can manually download drivers from Dell's support website. Simply enter your laptop's service tag or model number to find the correct drivers for your specific system. For Thunderbolt docking stations, you may need to configure BIOS settings. Access your laptop's BIOS and enable Thunderbolt security settings. This ensures proper communication between your laptop and the Thunderbolt dock. Once connected and configured, your docking station provides a streamlined workspace solution. A single cable connection delivers power to charge your laptop, data transfer for peripherals, and video output for external monitors, simplifying your entire setup. Once your Dell docking station is connected, the next step is configuring your monitors for optimal display performance. Configure your monitors through Windows Display Settings. Access this by right-clicking on your desktop and selecting Display Settings. For optimal viewing, set display scaling to 125% for 4K monitors and 100% for 1440p monitors. This ensures text and interface elements are properly sized. Match your refresh rate to your monitor's capabilities. Gaming displays often support 144 Hz, while standard monitors typically use 60 Hz. If you encounter display issues, here are the key troubleshooting steps to resolve common problems. First, verify your drivers are up to date using Dell Command Update. This resolves 85% of display connectivity issues. Use Windows plus P to cycle through display modes if screens aren't detected properly. This keyboard shortcut provides quick access to projection options. Try different USB-C ports if available, and power cycle the dock by disconnecting power for 30 seconds. This resets the connection and often resolves hardware detection issues. When properly configured, expect consistent 10 gigabits per second data transfer speeds under normal workloads, with 95% display detection success on first connection.